So you have the offices, classrooms, and this is where I made that table where I put the days of the week up here.
Yep.
Remember when I did that? So this is the same thing. This is that's just how I did it. And you're able to, unlike the original proposal, you can't change these at all, right? You can't make any changes to it. You can't add, say, like a foyer, or maybe if you're doing a church, maybe the what do you call it? The church family room, or whatever extra rooms that they may have, you don't have the ability to change that in the original proposal. But in this one, you can make as many additions to it as you want, but just understand you have a limited amount of space for it to fit. So you got to figure out how you're going to make that work. And you can add as many actual details or specific cleaning activities as you want to. You can go all the way down, but I try to keep it to one page if possible. So try to consolidate it as much as you can. So you can make any adjustments that you need to by using this new proposal. Down below, we go and we talk about the price. And this is all just from adding texts. So I can just add a text over here and keep changing stuff up as I need to. You see what I'm saying? So you can make it and you can customize it however you want to customize it. And then as you go down, I put my terms. So my terms are here. And whatever they may be for your company, if you want to keep it the same as what AJ has, you can keep it that way. I just kind of altered it or updated it to make sure that it matched what I needed for my company. And then you have your signature page, the same way you have the signature page. Before we had the 2 clients, I normally only have one signature. I just have them sign. And that's all you do. And once you do that, you save it as a template. And then whenever you want to go back and say, make a new one, you just use that template and you just not really start all over. You just make adjustments and you change it and alter it to make sure it's customized to whatever client that you're trying to prepare it for. Does that make sense?
So the first time you do it, you have to basically type everything in.
The first time,